everyone, and thank you all so much for stopping by. So the weather is getting hot here, and we have our green beans that we planted, and I'll make sure that I link the video. They are starting to produce. So I wanted to share this recipe with you. I'm super excited to try these beans because what I love about growing my own food is you have more choices of what you can grow. These are not your traditional green beans that you see in the store. We got these from Park Seed. I want to say they're pronounced Algarve, but what I'll do is I'll just leave the link. And these are more of a flatter bean, and then they also grow to about 10 to 12 inch long, because when they first start producing, I was looking at them like, are they supposed to fatten up or what? But I had to go back and I had to look, and they are actually supposed to be flat. So we are gonna saute these up. And this is also what I get excited about, y'all. This is my own onion from my own garden, and then my own garlic from my own garden. We have some portobello mushrooms here. I actually bought those. And then what we're gonna do is we're just gonna saute it with a little bit of olive oil, salt, pepper, garlic. So let's go ahead and let's move over to the stove because I think this is gonna be super quick today, y'all. Okay, y'all, so we gotta stop the press right now because I'm about to tell y'all something and y'all gonna think I'm making it up. That's why we stopping the press. So I had to cut the little tops off the green beans. And when I tell y'all the smell in here right now from the green beans and the garlic and the onions, like it almost make you want to just eat it raw and just not even cook it. But that is not what we're doing. We're sauteing these, but just the smell of freshness. And that's also a great reason to start your garden, y'all, because this does not have to travel far. Literally in your backyard, picked at the peak, and then just brought in the house. It does not have to travel 3,000 miles, 5,000 miles. It literally travels about 20 steps. So before I get started, because these beans are long, and I'm not gonna put the long, I'm not about to eat that long bean like that. That's too long to be putting in your mouth. Like, you don't wanna choke nobody. That's me personally. I mean, if you wanna put it in there, that's fine. But me, I cut it in half. I cut them in half just because the beans are long. They're like 10 to 12 inches. Think about a ruler. Yeah. So, yeah, we cut them in half. So we really went from garden to table in no time, y'all. And this is what it's all about. Like, the only reason why it took me a little bit longer is because I was filming and trying to get all the steps in. But seriously, you could walk out in the morning, harvest this, and then get everything prepped, and you would have a meal in no time. And that's what I love about it. But anyway, let's talk about the flavor profile. So fresh. You will not find this at your local grocery store in the produce section. This is just, it's some type of, the flavor is very nice. It tastes like a green bean. It really does. And I just love that it's flat and it's different and it's something that you won't find at the store. So I'm going to be selfish, and I hope this doesn't come off as too selfish, but this first harvest of beans are mine. And as the beans continue to grow and we continue to harvest, because there are some on there now that are smaller, then we'll harvest them and we'll share them with the family, y'all. We'll share it with them. And I definitely know that I will be doing a second sowing of these too, because I like them. I really do. I like these. We still have some dragon beans and another type of bush bean growing out there. So they're starting to get buds on them. And hopefully we'll be able to taste those soon. But these we're definitely going to continue to sow. So as always, thank you all so much for watching this video. And I hope you share this video with your family and your friends. And if you are not a subscriber, we would absolutely love to have you as a subscriber. So make sure you tap the bell so that you can receive notification each and every time we upload a video. And what I'll do in the end cards, if you want to try more recipes, I'll pop 2 videos in the end card so you can go ahead and binge watch. Again, thank you all so much for watching, and until the next video, bye-bye.